Hello mga ka-buy and sell, welcome po sa aming YouTube channel. Panoorin ang mga segunda manong sasakyan. Baka may magustuhan at swak sa iyong bulsa. Please support and subscribe na din po ka-BAS. 2021 model Toyota Rush G, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 20,000 kilometers mileage, first owner, well-maintained, touchscreen monitor, push start, 6 airbag, dual aircon, white color, 2 remote keys, all power, all original, complete tools and spare tire, cash price, 778,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing, for financing all-in down payment, 158,000 pesos, insurance not yet included. (2023) model Hyundai Creta GL, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, manual transmission, 13,000 kilometers mileage, first owner, airbag, central locking, power door locks, anti-theft device, tire pressure monitor, electric parking brake, steering controls, all power, all original, complete tools and spare tire, cash price, 698,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 210,000 pesos, insurance not yet included. (2023) model Toyota Wigo GSE, 1-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 8,000 kilometers mileage, first owner, almost brand new, fuel efficient, keyless entry, push start, SRS airbag, 8-inch display audio, all power, all original, complete tools at spare tire, cash price, 590,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 49,000 pesos, insurance not yet included. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe para ma-update po kayo lagi. Visit sa website for more for sale.